It's Tuesday, January 31st, just following up with the SPY. You can see here price has followed through higher up to that key yellow line area that we're going to monitor, and I'll show you in a second. This is kind of a key little area here from yesterday's price action, but I decided to scale out of my options. My 400 calls at 640, bought those at 605. So now it's a no risk trade for me to see if it follows through higher from here or not. I recall yesterday on the chart watching it, if we look at the 15-minute chart and go back to yesterday, this was a key area where it was really vacillating. It was the open of yesterday, and it was kind of going up and down through it a bunch of times before it eventually moved lower. Now we're obviously trying to break out higher, so I expect this to be kind of a pause area, which is fine. That's because, again, this is an area where yesterday there was a lot of back and forth. So we'll just see if we get an orderly kind of pullback in here and then continue higher. That's kind of the hope. We're still an inside day, but I like the turnaround Tuesday aspect of it, the way price opened and coming through back through the open of Monday. And if that continues today, then maybe we can get a 2 update of the upside and really follow through on the weekly chart towards its highs of last week, which was always anticipated given the green bar and some of those targets above in the big picture up here. So that's the weekly chart. So anyway, daily chart definitely starting up on the day green. We're above the open. So I want price to kind of hold this opening price right here, or kind of the midpoint of the first few bars, or this yellow line, which is the close yesterday. As long as we hold in here, the structure on the day's up. I just think you never know for sure. And this is an area we're going to get a pause likely. So I scaled out. Now it's no risk just to see if we have an orderly pause and then continue higher and hopefully get a 2 update today. And that will really confirm that the week, is likely continuing higher towards last week's high and, the bigger picture targets above.